is Keisha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Keisha L. Owens. I'm the owner of She's a Marketing Beast, and you guys can just call me Side Hustle Keisha because on this channel, I'm going to be bringing you the top side hustles that I find out here on the internet for you, okay, to help you make money from home, whether you're working online or offline. I'm going to be bringing you the tips of the top side hustles that you can make money from home. Today, we're talking about a great opportunity where you can make some money from home. But before we jump into that, let me ask you this. I want to ask you to subscribe to this channel if you would like to see more ways to make money from home and get tips on how to be productive in being a work from home entrepreneur. But most importantly, hit that notification button so every time I upload a video, you'll be notified, okay? Also, I always have listed in the descriptions the opportunities that I talk about on my page. Also, I'll also have listed my number one. I have some number ones, okay? So just say number one. I have number ones that are, to me, the top ways for you to make passive income from home. So they'll always be listed in the description below. So have a passive income opportunity where you can make money from home or you can make money online. So see those descriptions in the box below, okay? Let's jump right into this amazing opportunity, you guys. This amazing opportunity with none other than the company called U-Haul, okay? Everybody knows about U-Haul. It's a major company, but they have a great opportunity for a work from home roadside assistance agent to work from home. It's U.S. only, so sorry if you're not in the United States, but this opportunity is only available in the United States. So let's jump right into the opportunity that is available for you to work from home, okay? Let's see here. So let me tell you just a little bit about the job and a little bit about the company. You need to love to help people. U-Haul Roadside Assistance is looking for quality, customer-friendly candidates. As the leaders of the do-it-yourself moving industry, U-Haul Roadside Assistance works hard to ensure our customers' safety and experience is handled with professionalism, care, and support. At times, unexpected hurdles arise that warrant our roadside assistance team to step in and guide our customers back en route to their destination. U-Haul Roadside Assistance team members handle back-to-back incoming calls and initiate outbound calls to customers and roadside assistance service providers. As we actively listen to the customer's experience, it is vital that clear, detailed notes are built on every call for proper documentation purposes. E-learning and instructor lead education, self-paced atmosphere. Let's see, train and work from home, flexible schedules, contact center career path available, including work from home team members. Moonlighter benefits include medical reimbursement, amenity plan, an RX savings plus discount plan, dental plan, vision plan, retirement savings, 401k plan. Great opportunity for students, teachers, and second job, okay? Here are some of the requirements, you guys. Ability to express sympathy, empathy, and compassion. Critical thinker and ability to adapt. Basic keyboarding and computer skills. Active listening while typing. Excellent customer service skills. Excellent verbal communication skills. Clear speaking voice. General knowledge of U.S. geography. The position might be for you if, okay, here's the if, you guys. If you are a dependable team player with a positive attitude, you obtain aptitude to work in a critical thinking atmosphere, you enjoy self-paced education work environment, enjoy speaking with and helping people, you are empathetic and solution orientated, okay? Listen, we need you to be solution orientated to help these people. You are comfortable with e-learning and remote leadership management. You are comfortable navigating multiple computer programs at one time. So let's talk about the training. U-Haul offers on-the-job education that introduces team members to self-paced and motivated learning experience. Basic job duties are performed early on with guidance and support of their manager. This position offers an on-site visit prior to the education to see and touch our products while understanding the services offered to our communities and customers. You will spend 2 hours within the first 3 days at the U-Haul Center for training purposes. Expect to be, it says expect to be on the phones taking live calls by day 2 of training with your manager. Education is a continuous effort that ensures all team members are confident and able to perform job responsibilities. The schedules, let's talk about the schedules, because you got to be available during these time frames if you want to work for them. Monday through Sunday, 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Arizona time. So that time would be 9 a.m. to 12 midnight for me. Roadside assistance is 24/7 and needs team members available on the weekend. 1 weekend day is needed. Okay, so you gotta commit to 1 weekend day. If you want to work both weekend days, that's great. Working on a holiday is a must. Roadside assistance is available 365 days a year, 24/7. Listen, they need you all the time. So you're going to have to be open and being flexible to your schedule, okay? Guaranteed hours, 25 hours May through September, 15 hours October through April. So they're telling you the average hours you're going to get. This is a side hustle, you guys. So they didn't say 40. They didn't say 50. They said 25 to 15. So it's not that much of a great commitment. I like this. It's a commitment, but not that great. 25 to 15 hours guaranteed. Now, it doesn't say here weekly, so we're going to have to get some clarity on that. But you guys see where I'm going with this, right? Following is required to work from home. Quiet private work area, dependent and child care arrangement must be made as if the team member is working on site. All work duties, including education, must be performed at your home address. The following technical requirements must be met to work from home. Must have a non-wireless USB headset with microphone. Must have high-speed internet, 2 MB and 5 MB. So this is going to be listed in the descriptions. You guys, the link is going to be below. You're going to compare your computer to what they have here, okay? So you're going to look here and see if you already have this, and you won't have to purchase anything. If you do, that's a decision you make once you get the position, or if you want to invest in it now, because some of the standard stuff that if you want to work from home and talk on the phone, you're going to need to work for most the other companies, okay? The following are permitted when working from home due to compatibility, performance, security, and concerns. A wireless non-USB headset, it goes over all these things again. A mobile, so these are not permitted. Listen. So these are not permitted. This you cannot use hotspots. You can't have other windows open while you're working. Unsecure Wi-Fi is not going to be acceptable. Okay, so listen, they're letting you know what's not going to work. So go through here and read this. If you like this opportunity, go ahead, apply for it. Come back and tell me what happens here. Do you meet the minimal technical requirements that they're going to ask you? Check your internet speed. So it goes over all these steps. If this is something you guys are interested in, this goes over everything for you, okay? So I want you guys to check out this opportunity. Tell me what you think. Come back and drop comments below. If you get an interview, anything, we want to know. We want to celebrate with you. We want to encourage others to do the same, right? You guys know my name is Keisha L. Owens, and I'm here to help you find great opportunities to work from home, work from the comfort of your home, or work from anywhere in the world. So just make sure you guys check out the description box below. Remember, this is a great opportunity for you to make some additional side money. But if you want to make that passive income, that money that you wake up in the morning and you see notifications on your phone that you made money while you were asleep, or you made money while you were on vacation, or you were in the grocery store and you're about to pay for your groceries, girl, and you made $200 and that just paid for your groceries. That's the kind of money I'm talking about. And I want you to be at Dillard's about to buy some shoes, and you just made $1,000, so you can get an extra pair, right? That's what we're talking about on this channel, passive income. So this is a great opportunity. If you're interested, apply for it. But if you're open and you're interested in making money, passive income, I want you to click my number ones below. My number one way of making money from home and my number one way of making money online. I want you to get your free copy of the 7 Top Work From Home Side Hustle. Click that link, follow the steps. I'm going to send you the digital download to your email. It's going to go straight to your email, and you can go through it and see some of the 7 top work from home side hustles for 2019, summer 2019. Listen, you guys, get your free copy today, okay? I'll see you in the next video. Let's make steps to intentionally get paid online. It ain't nothing wrong with a little side hustle. Have a good night. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.